You ever want pizza, but you don't want pizza? How about pizza soup? Alright, my parents had pizza for lunch. And I love pizza. Pizza's my favorite food. But I just didn't want it today. So what I'm gonna have instead is pizza soup. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. First things first, you're gonna need you a pot. Get you a can of tomato soup. And just dump it in there. Alright, and you can use water to thin this out a little bit if you want. The next thing I'm gonna add is one of my garlic things from Papa John's. And I found that when you have them in the fridge, they tend to coagulate and kind of separate, so I just like to give them a good shake before I open it. Dump that in there, because butter and tomatoes go beautifully together. Make sure I get that in there. Just kind of give it a stir. Then this is the leftover ground beef that they had from their pizza, and I'm going to add that to my pan. Now, because this is just a stainless steel pot, I can use a spoon to stir, but if you've got any kind of non-stick surface, don't ever use a metal utensil, because you'll scratch the surface. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get me some pepperoni, and I'm just gonna tear these into smaller pieces. They don't have to be tiny, but that way they're more spoon-sized, I guess. Put as much as you like in there. Don't worry if some of the pieces are kind of stuck together, they'll separate as they thaw. Or well, I say thaw because I keep my pepperoni in the freezer. It's just how we've always done it at my house, kept it in the freezer. Alright, so there's our pepperoni. Give that another stir. Now we're gonna get us some spices, some basil, some oregano, some onion powder. Not gonna add any garlic powder though, because there's plenty of that already in there. And just to round it out, some Italian seasoning. Give it another stir. To get this little bit off, but he didn't want to come off. Let's see if we can. Got you that way. And basically, you're just heating this up. So I'm gonna give it just a couple more minutes just to make sure that those pepperonis are really good and mixed in there. Go ahead and turn my eye off. And this is very important. I have my mug. I gotta make sure that my garlic bread will fit in the mug. But we are done here. pour that in my mug. All right, there you have it. There is my pizza soup. And I'm gonna have it with my garlic bread. You ready for this food? I am ready for this food. So we have our pizza soup, have our bread. Here we go. Pizza soup is perfect when you're wanting something a little more cozy, I guess, or warming. Because you get that nice warming effect from the soup. You get this nice crusty piece of bread too. It's really good. Y'all have a fabulous day. See you later.